Hi, good morning, everybody. It's Friday. It's Friday. Hello. Let me check. Yeah, it is Friday, March 16th, 2018, 9:26 a.m. on the East Coast. Before I really start to talk a little bit, let me apologize if you hear any background noise. More than usual, I am sitting by an open window. The heat in my apartment was just so hot. I had to open a couple of windows just to get some cool air in here. All right, people. We still have snow on the ground where I live. I don't know how the weather is where you are, but yeah, that radiator is pumping out some heat. Okay. What I'm gonna do today is probably laundry, chores around the house because I had been feeling sick for a week and I couldn't really do anything, and also trying to sink in as much knowledge as I can for ClickTeam Fusion 2.5. Um, when I logged into Steam this morning, I had to remove a friend, quote unquote friend, from my friends list because they just like going off on the mouth for no reason. And the weird part about it is that I don't even know the person, but they probably added me and wanted to just talk trash, and I just removed them. Simple. That's how you get rid of people like that. And I had to put a note on my profile to say, life is too short to argue over bullshit. Some people just have a lot of built up hatred in them for no reason and just go off on somebody. Maybe they don't like something, a picture that you posted from a video game. People have gone off on me and unsubscribed from me because of screenshots from video games and that I played, like in Skyrim or um, this a game about war or whatever. Um, this particular person didn't like the fact that I have Buddhist in my screen name, and I basically sent the person a message saying that they're an idiot. You know, um, I don't have to explain to somebody why I make the screen names that I do. I choose to do that, and if anybody would like to know, because a person has a particular word in their screen name, they do it for a reason. For me, learning learning about Buddhism helped me overcome a lot of problems and things that were going on in my life years ago. It helped me calm down and rethink the situation. So for people that are out there that get angry or mad whenever you see somebody with a screen name like that, know that they choose it for a reason. That's all you need to know. If you decide you want to call yourself a Nazi, Nazi sympathizer, you know, so be it. I don't really give a fuck at the end of the day what you call yourself or what you label yourself. As long as you're not putting labels on me, I don't give a fuck at the end of the day. It's that simple. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about ClickTeam Fusion 2.5, just go and sign up for the free membership and get some tutorials at ClickFusion Academy. I'll put a link in the description. They have some better tutorials here than you're gonna find on YouTube. They don't have enough on YouTube. They do have some, but not enough. And this is a whole lot. But you can also get a paid subscription to this website. I would prefer the lifetime subscription versus a monthly, and I'm gonna work on that, saving up some money. I gotta save up money for a widescreen monitor or a smart TV, and also subscription to this. And you might ask why? Because I need the room. I actually need the space. I can't use an old CRT monitor that gathered dust in the closet and I owned before Obama was president. And that's what I'm using now. Hello. But yeah, I even forgot why I even started this video. Sometimes you have to redirect your aggravation, your anger, your depression, and whatever you're going through onto something that's positive. And for me, that's what I'm trying to do right now. I had been sick for days, didn't have the clarity, and my mind was just foggy to even sit down and watch a video from beginning to end. Could not do it. Everything about YouTube aggravated me. I couldn't watch a video from start to finish. I think a part of it has to, well, a lot of it has to do with my condition, my illness, and another part I think has to do with the medication that I'm taking. So, what I'm gonna do, I think, I was just thinking about how my sister was trying to make me eat breakfast one morning, long distance. I was texting her on the phone, showing her, sending her pictures of my breakfast. It was so much food on the plate, and I couldn't eat it all in one sitting. And it took me that evening to actually finish that meal. I was eating breakfast from morning to night. That's how that's how bad I was feeling at one time, a few days ago. And I'm gonna try to do that this morning because I feel good. So instead of drinking a protein drink that my doctor gave me, I'm gonna try to eat breakfast and eat the whole thing. I'll probably feel probably like a pig after and feel bloated, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I've been losing a lot of weight. So I'll go and do that and come back and watch some videos about making games and development and programming and all that good stuff. Things that make people happy. Alrighty. Let me know what you're going to do this weekend. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do some laundry, clean my place to make it spotless, and learn some game development. And try to eat as much as I can. Hello. Alright, folks. Take care. And brush those haters off. That's what I'm trying to do. Or just remove them from your life and block them. Okay. Stop recording.